Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny, and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys how to create a simple yet glow up makeup look very quickly and very easily. And it's going to be a one brand makeup tutorial, so everything I will be using in this video are from Sugar Cosmetics, and also there will be 3 giveaways in this video worth rupees 2000 each from Sugar Cosmetics. So if you want to know the rules of the giveaway, please keep on watching till the end. Now before we start, I just want to clarify one thing, that I'm not a professional in this subject. These things are new to me and I'm still learning and experimenting, so try not to judge me if you find any mistakes. And the last thing, follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle and this is my Instagram feed, and also subscribe to my channel. And now let's get into the video. Okay, so the very first step is moisturizing your face and your lips too. I'm done with it, and this is a step you don't want to miss out no matter what skin type you have. Moving on to the next step, which is using a primer. So the primer I'm using is from Sugar Cosmetics, the most eligible smoothing primer. So this is what the product looks like. It's a silicone based primer and it's super lightweight and does not dry out your skin. So I'm just taking a little amount of it, and now I'm just gonna apply it. First I'm gonna apply it under my eyes, and then you have to apply it all over your face. And yeah, it actually blurs out all of your pores and gives a flawless matte base. You can see how my face is looking right now. It's instantly gives a perfect base for the makeup. Though I'm not going to be using any foundation today because it's going to be a quick and easy makeup look. So yeah, I'm not going to be using any foundation, but I'm going to use this concealer. So this is their Magic Wand waterproof concealer and I'm in the shade 12. So this is what the concealer looks like, and I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes and on the corners of my eyes, bridge of my nose. So जहाँ जहाँ पे डार्क स्पॉट्स है मैं वहीं पे ही सिर्फ अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, and I'm gonna blend it with this beauty blender. So this concealer does tend to get settled down quickly, so you have to work on it. I mean, you have to blend it pretty quickly. So I'm done with the concealer too. I'm done blending it out. मैंने इसको ज़्यादा अप्लाई नहीं की थी, and you can definitely see all my dark circles वो दिख ही नहीं रही है अभी. So yeah. Now to set the concealer, I'm gonna be using this Sugar Cosmetics Power Play Banana Compact. So this is what the compact looks like, and it has this compact and इसका puff भी है नीचे. So I will be first applying the compact wherever I have applied the concealer, and then मैं पूरी face पे apply करूँगी. Don't rub the puff on your face, you just have to dab it to set the concealer. And yeah, so I'm done with the compact, and now I'm gonna be moving to the next step, which is doing my brows. And for that I'm gonna be using this Arch Arrival brow definer in the shade 4. It's a dark blackish brown color, and the most interesting part of this brow definer is on the one side it obviously has this brow definer, other side pe it also has a spoolie, so you don't have to buy another spoolie alag se. So yeah, first I'm gonna brush my brows like this, and then I'm just gonna start lining it. So first you have to brush the eyebrow in according to the side of the hair growth, then start lining the brow and fill it in with the brow definer, and then again brush it so there is no harsh line and it looks all even and natural. And same thing I am doing on my other eyebrow. Done with both the brows, and now let's move on to the next step. The next step will be obviously the eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow palette I'm going to use is this one. This is the Blend the Rule eyeshadow palette number 1, Flawless. It's a warm toned palette and it has all these beautiful pigmented warm tone shades. It has matte shades and also it has some metallic shades too. And it also comes with this chotu sa brush. So I'm using this brush because I lost my eyeshadow wala brushes. I don't know where they are, but yeah, I'm going to use this shade, the very first shade. It's called Cream. So I'm just gonna take it, a little amount of it, and just gonna apply it all over my eyelid. So I'm done applying one shade and I think I'm gonna top it off with the third shade. This is the shade number 3, Coral. So I'm just gonna, using my fingertip, just gonna dab it on my eyelids to add a little color. And as you can see, it blends perfectly with the brush and with hands too. So they are very pigmented. And I'm gonna use the same shades for my lower lash line, so don't forget your lash line, it's important. So now next step is to apply eyeliner or kajal, anything you like. I don't like using kajal on my lower lash line, so I'm gonna be using this Kohol of Honor Intense Kajal, and I'm gonna be using this kajal as my eyeliner. It's super pigmented, guys. It just glides on your skin super smoothly. So just gonna simply do a wing liner or something. I always like to do wing liner. This is my go-to. You can see how black intense it is and how pigmented it is. So yeah. So I think I'm done with the eyeliner part, and next step is applying mascara. So the mascara I'm going to be using is Lash of the Titans Volumizing Mascara. So this is one of the best mascara I have used. So this is what the mascara looks like, and as the name suggests, it actually works really well. It actually gives you the perfect volume. Wait, let me show you. So you can definitely see the difference between my this eye and this eye. It's looking so pretty. So I'm gonna quickly apply it on my other eye too. And also don't forget your lower eyelash. So I'm done with my eyes too. The next step is to use blush, highlighter and all. So this is the palette. So it comes with a bronzer, highlighter and blush. First I'm gonna take the bronzer, obviously. So the next step, I'm using the blush. So I'm just taking very little amount of it and just do this. I think blushes are really something that makes you look like fresh and all, and it gives your face a youthful look. So I really like to use blushes. And lastly, I'm gonna be using the highlighter. So I'm taking this flat brush. I know this brush is not right for this, but I like to use this brush because I have used it and it works well. So I'm gonna just do it. And I'm just gonna apply it on the high points of my face. So first I'm just applying the highlighter with the brush, obviously, and then I am just blending it in with the help of my finger, like you can see. And I'm done with the highlighter too, and lastly I'm gonna be using a lipstick, obviously, which is my favorite part. So first I'm gonna use this lipstick. It's from Sugar Cosmetics Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick in the shade 06 Spring Crimson, and this is what the lipstick looks like. So I'm just gonna line up my lips with this, and then I think I'm gonna fill it up with other lipstick. So let's see. I'm not gonna line it up properly, but yeah. And then I'm gonna fill it in with this lipstick. This is from the same range but in the shade 10 Deep Peach mode, and it's a peach nude color. And lastly, to complete the look, I am taking a little amount of highlighter on the tip of my finger and applying it on the inner corner of my eyes. And yeah, this is the final look. This is the quick, easy glow up makeup look for those days when you feel like doing a little extra but not too much. Perfect for brunch dates or whenever you are going out with your friends for little hangouts. And now comes the giveaway. So there will be 3 winners as I mentioned it earlier, and each one of you guys will stand a chance to win makeup products worth rupees 2000 from Sugar Cosmetics. And all you need to do is like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe to Sugar Cosmetics channel. I will link their channel in the description box down below. And lastly, mention your Insta ID or your Insta handle, or if you don't have your Insta account, you can even mention your email ID in the comment section down below. I will announce the winner in the comment section down below on the next week Friday, so don't forget to check the comment section on the next week Friday ko. And that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.